All right, so Tyler here.
And dog, just out and about.
We got some, so you can really hear the on-ride audio.
Love it.
Very good up front. So it's our first time riding up front. We've rode a couple times today, but
Yeah,
first time up front.
4 or 5 rides each already. All different spots.
Yeah.
Over the front row.
So let's
here we go.
see what the wolf has for the front of us. Woo! 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 Yeah, we're down over here on the over the railroad tracks, through the gates of the village, out by the barn, into the village. Bye. Okay, so
I love this right here.
So I've come to the conclusion, so after the first lift hill, the storyline is I think we trapped the wolf.
Right here.
Right here.
You see the
Let's go down in here in the stakes.
Got the wolf.
Trap the wolf, we got the wolf. Now we're partying. Woo! We're all happy and we're having an Oktoberfest gathering because we done killed the wolf. And now we have
Let me tell you.
some Oompa
I can't
Loompa.
believe how close you are to the other track.
Yeah,
the other part of the
You
track
got
right there, but it's
some
pretty cool.
music to dance to while you're waiting to
We're
unload.
doing the Oompa dance.
The Oompa, Oompa, Oompa. Do 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 do. So you can celebrate all your way into the station, and then you brave the wolf.
There it is. It's your big bad wolf.
It's a big bad wolf. The wolf's revenge.